Did you know crows are incredibly smart? They can recognize faces and even use tools. Let's explore just how smart these birds really are. Spoiler, you'll be amazed. Crows belong to the corvid family and are one of the most intelligent bird species. They can solve complex puzzles, demonstrating their remarkable cognitive abilities. Crows have been observed crafting tools to help them gather food. Remarkably, crows can also remember human faces and hold grudges. So next time you see a crow, remember, you're in the presence of genius.